Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here to talk about a new print-on-demand site that you should be using in 2021. So today we're going to talk about Printbest. So I found out about Printbest through a little bit of Google search, and I'm so glad I did. It is a new print-on-demand site. They have newly entered the print-on-demand atmosphere around April of this year. So I'm excited to come to you guys to show you about this website. I know I like to keep you guys updated with the sites that I'm using and sites that you should check out and give a chance as well. So Printbest is in Canada, but they also have a US-based website and they ship to all over the world. So they ship Canadian, they ship US, and they also ship to other countries and states as well. Right now, Printbest integrates with Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. And I know they have Wix and I believe Squarespace that is coming soon. They also have affiliate programs. So if you're interested after watching this video, make sure you click my Printbest affiliate link down in the description box, okay? So I'm going to show you guys an overview of the website, show you a few of the catalog items that they do carry, and just a little review of the website. At the end of the video, I'll be doing an unboxing for you guys so you can see the product I purchased, and I'll be doing a live review so you can check out the quality of Printbest and judge for yourself if you would like to use this site as well. Here is an overview of the website Printbest. Here is their homepage. You have integrations. They integrate with WooCommerce, Shopify, Etsy, and it also says coming soon, Wix, Ewid, never heard of that one. Squarespace, I think that's it from what I can see. They are fairly new. They started in about, I believe it's April of this year. Here is the catalog. They have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, and a few drinkware. They are based in Canada. They have a blog. They have about us information as well. I'm going to scroll down. It just says custom design products online. You can hit the get started button to find out more. Love this image here. Print on demand and drop shipping that helps you profit. 1 to 2 day printing available. We love to see it. And again, it just shows you some of the platforms. I love when sites do this because even though print on demand has been around for a while, some people are still confused about how it works. It's just showing you the 1, 2, 3, 4. You design it, you sell it, they print it, and they ship it. Easy does it. You have fast fulfillment. They said they have the lowest industry prices. Okay, love that. Large selection, high quality products. And they already have some reviews as well. We're going to go ahead and do a deep dive into the catalog. We're going to go ahead and click on the men's clothing. And we're going to check out some of the brands and the t-shirts that they do provide. We're going to go ahead and hit men's t-shirts. All right. We have, of course, the Gildan Next Level Fruit of Loom. They have Bella Canvas, American Apparel, Next Level Champion, have V-necks, more Next Level. What I want to do is I want to go back to page 1 because I know a lot of us use Bella Canvas and, oh, well, it's on page 2. A lot of us use Bella Canvas, and the price for the 3001C says it starts at $14.49. So just so you guys can get a little roundabout of the pricing. We're going to also go to the women's clothing really quick. Since we did t-shirts over there, let's check out the long sleeve. I'm not going to go through every single product here all day, but they have Gildan and Bella Canvas for long sleeve. This one's off the shoulder here. And then have some kids stuff as well. And we're going to check out the kids hoodies. They have a hoodie. This is gliding, and then they have drinkware, which is mugs and bottles. Let's click on the mugs really quick. You have the stainless steel mugs. I think that has a lid, not sure. 15 ounce and 11 ounce. And then let's look at the bottles. Probably the stainless steel tumbler type ones too. Yeah, steel bottles as well, 17 ounce. Those are the products that they do have. I'm not sure what product I'm going to purchase, but I will purchase a product or two, possibly a shirt just to show you guys the quality and so you can see how long it took to get here. That is the overview of the Printbest website. So I am to the portion of the video where I get to show you guys my Printbest apparel. I did order a t-shirt, and like I told you guys, I ordered a print that has a little bit of color because I wanted to be able to test that quality for you guys. Here's the package. It just came in this nice little white envelope here. It's addressed from me to me, obviously, because it's from my business. I'm just gonna go ahead and tear it right on open on camera for you guys. This is my live reaction, me opening up the package and pulling it out. All right, here it's a little package slip. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. Your apparel was printed using eco-friendly, water-free process. A pre-treatment solution was applied to the garment before printing, which may be more visible on lighter garments. If you notice a mild discoloration or scent, please wash the garment before use." Love that they included that in there. I'm excited because just off rip, the colors are so vibrant. And I can't wear the shirts. I did my billionaire t-shirt, and it has like a gold print across the front. It has white, and then it has a white and black print, and I did it in red. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm trying to make sure my camera focuses so you guys can see the quality. It looks amazing. Look at the yellow. It looks, well, it's like a gold, but it looks so good. And this is on a gliding soft style shirt. So again, I'm gonna scoot back, hold the shirt up. It's a size medium. That's the size I wear in shirts. It looks amazing. I am thrilled. I am so excited. I can't wait to wear it. I have this in black already, but now I want to order it in royal blue because the print is just everything. Look at it, guys. For a t-shirt, I know that's what people normally order when we talk about print on demand. I love the print quality. I love opening new things on camera so you guys can see my live reaction. I always make sure that when we're talking about print on demand, I introduce you to places that have really good quality, and I am not disappointed. So shout out to you, Printbest. Like I said to you guys, if you want to try out Printbest, make sure you click my affiliate link in the description box down below and sign up and get started. Give them a chance. Start using them as your new print on demand fulfillment company. I am going to definitely outsource some of my products to Printbest from now on. Truly enjoy the quality. So like I said, affiliate link in the description box. And thank you guys at Printbest. You guys are amazing. Love it, and congratulations on opening up your print on demand business. But that is it for this video, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.